Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, "It is not for the associators that they should inhabit the mosques of Allah, bearing witness of infidelity against themselves. Their entire works are destroyed, and they will abide in the fire. They only inhabit the mosque of Allah who believe in Allah and the last day, and establish prayer, and pay the poor due zakat, and fear none but Allah. Therefore, it is near that these people may be among the guided ones." Hazrat Ikrimah reports that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu asked me and his son Ali to go to Hazrat Abu Sa'id and listen to what he narrated. He went to him and he was looking after his garden. He took his rope, wrapped it round him, and started talking to us till the topic of the construction of the mosque came under discussion. He said, "We would carry one adobe, but Hazrat Ammar would carry 2 adobes at a time. When the Prophet ﷺ saw him, he ﷺ started removing dust from him and said, 'Woe for Ammar, a rebellious crew will murder him. He will call them to paradise and they will call him to hell.'" The reporter says, Hazrat Ammar would say, "I seek Allah's protection against the mischief mongers or afflictions." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 447.